Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Out and About in Calaveras County and the showcasing of another new listing. Today we're in San Andreas, California at the corner of Roberts Avenue and Pope Street. Situated on 0.14 of an acre, we have approximately 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Let's take a look. I hope you've enjoyed our coverage of the new listing on Roberts Avenue. If you'd like more information or you'd like to see the property in person, please reach out to us. By the way, my name is Lisa Muetterties and I sell real estate along with my wife Lisa in Calaveras County.